You can love me up in a prison and throw away the key. You can take away the vision from my eyes. Now can you see? Deprive me of the food that I eat, and even bind my hands and my feet, but as long as I know Jesus, then I can still go free. That I can still go free. What kind of man would reach down his hand and do this for me? I was so unworthy to live and not fit to heal, but then a man on the cross put me in his will and said that I could still go free. Now I never could quite understand. Oh, white king would want to leave his throne to dawn the road of an earthly man filled with pain of flesh and bone. Oh, that the later trod alone the path that led to Calvary. Oh, where the blood-red stains, yes, they broke on my chest, so that I could still go free. That I could still go free. What kind of man would reach down his hand and do this for me? I was so unworthy to live and not fit to kill, but then a man on the cross put